Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Daddy Easy here. Not going to go into an intro. Basically, want to talk about the Lenovo Legion Go 2. There's a BIOS update. Now, I was going to make a video earlier today. I've been doing my son stuff. I've been out all day. So I have not really been able to do much of anything today. But I did see the BIOS update once it first got released into the store, because I do check the website basically like every other day or sometimes every day like that. But there is an update. So let's basically zoom this in real quick. So let's zoom that in real quick for you guys right there, just that you guys see. Let's try to focus this in. Okay, there we go. We don't care about you right now, so hopefully, let me just turn this screen down a little bit. Okay, let's get right here, because I have to turn the screen down for you guys so y'all can actually see what's going on. Hopefully that's a little bit more clearer for you guys. Focus that in right there. So if you go to the website, which is Legion Go 2 drivers, as you can see right here, there's an update right here for BIOS. I already installed mines. I just installed it already on mines like probably about 20-30 minutes ago or 15 minutes ago, whatever. I already had this already installed on my son's Legion Go 2 already. As you know, I have multiple Legion Go's. And yeah, I already did it on his, updated everything his, because I was basically with him all day today. So basically what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to continue updating everything. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on this. We're going to open up the folder. We're going to click on this right there, because this is it right here. There we go. Click yes. Just wait for that to happen. Okay. And like I always say, make sure that you always plug your stuff in when you do your BIOS update and stuff, connected to a power supply like that. So I'm just waiting for that to go through. Okay. And I'm going to leave it like that. And basically for the rest of this video, I'm going to probably either speed it up, or I'm just going to let this thing run the way how it is for you guys. So I'm not going to go no further than that, and just leave everything the way how it is. So I'm just waiting for this thing to set up. Okay, there we go. It reset it itself. Okay, guys, as you can see, we are back and it's done. So we're just going to power this thing on real quick. Well, not power it on, unlock it. Refresh. And we're going to get out of this. Update. I really don't care about that. Windows. I can do all that stuff off camera, but what I do want to do is I want to click on this real quick and see if there's any updates inside the Legion space. See if there's any new things inside of it. One of the readmes was for SteamOS. Let me just clear this up. It's not this one of the updates on here is not to get ready for SteamOS. It's to fix SteamOS that's already on the Legion Go S. Okay. You guys don't gotta keep hitting me up in the in my DMs talking about Retro Boy. I already explained things to you about it. He uploads videos. Don't check his research and stuff like that. It's not to get ready for Steam OS. It's already to fix some problems that's already being done with Steam OS on the Legion Go. What is it? The Legion Go S. That's what that's for, to fix some of the problems that's going on with that. Can it also have some updates for the upcoming Legion Go the Legion Go 2? Maybe. But the update is basically for what's already out. It may have some bugs and stuff up there to fix what's already happened. So I can't say yes for the new SteamOS that's already coming out, because it's already a SteamOS already out already for the Legion Go S 2. I'm sorry, the Legion Go S. So yeah. Let's go right here real quick. I just want to see if there's any updates that's going to happen with this. See if it'll pick up anything. And I want to check out the controllers also. See if there's maybe a controller update. Doesn't hurt to check. Let's see. It should show the new BIOS. Okay, show the BIOS that we're on right now. Okay, go back. And we're going to go towards controller. We're going to check and see if there's an update for the controller right there. So scroll right down, check for updates. Nope. Okay, everything is done. Everything is good. So I'm going to go off camera and install these updates for Xbox Game Pass. Xbox Game Pass and the Xbox app. To be honest, I'm about to uninstall this Xbox app. I'm tired of this thing keep popping up. I don't like the Xbox app at all. I got Game Pass and I don't even use it. So I'm keeping it 100. I don't use Game Pass. I don't have anything that's installed on my Legion Go 2 that's Game Pass related, nor my PC. So that being said, that's it. And I'm out. Deuces. One. Peace. Deuces. I'm out. Holla at your boy. Let's zoom that back out for you guys. All right. I'm going to catch you guys later. Twisms.